Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your lace closure wigs, very specifically your 5x5 closure wigs. This is a unit from my hair company, BABEHAIR. You can find my company on Instagram at babehair.co or on Facebook at BABEHAIR, and I will have in the description box the website so that you will be able to purchase your own hand constructed wigs. So yeah, I make frontals, closures, whatever you want, I got it for you. Just need bundles, hit your girl up, I got you. So let's get straight into the install. All right, so first thing you want to do is take your makeup and a brush, like a big enough brush, so that you don't have to be damping all day, but you're gonna put this all over your cap just to make sure it look like scalp, basically, just under the wig. You could use powder, you could use cream. I'm using powder right now. Cream would probably be better though, because it's not as messy. Now right here, I'm just adding makeup to my closure so it'll match as well. So you add it to your cap and you add it to the lace. Very, very, very important step. You want it to blend. Blendy, blendy, blend. Okay, and boom, as you can see, this wig already is blended into my scalp. I didn't even lay it on yet. It's not even adhered to my head, but you could yeah, you can see the magic. Now, since this is a beginner's install, we're going to be using our Got To Be Free spray. So it is a glueless install, very easy to do. Just spray it on and yeah, let it dry. I have beginner wig kits available on my website. I will have that in the description box, but it does include your Got To Be spray, your edge lane scarf, the wax stick to get your wig to be flat as possible, honey, and you will have your baby hair two-sided toothbrush and comb. So all of that is included in the wig kit, and as I mentioned, it's on my website, and I'll have that in the description box. Now, I'm using the blow dryer to ensure that the Got To Be Free spray melts in with my skin. But it's going to do that really regardless, since you have on your satin scarf tied on along the edges. So it's going to melt regardless, but adding that heat gives it that extra melt that you want, which you need. Now, as you see, I split the lace down the middle first with my scissors, my shears, and then I'm using the razor comb to cut off the lace. I realize I'm used to using shears, so I'm gonna just stick to my shears. I've seen a lot of, other hairstylists use the razor, but it's whatever is comfortable for you. If you want to use a razor, use a razor. If you want to use scissors, shears, use those. Bottom line, get the lace off. Now that extra piece of cap right there, I did go ahead and cut that off camera, but yeah, that was messing up my vibe. I had to cut that off. But I added the freeze spray on top as well to get rid of some flyaways. So the freeze spray is very, very, very helpful. And these are the final results. This is a no baby hair install that I did. So these are these results. I love my hair. I love my wig. I love my install. Just look at those 30 inches on your girl. I look so cute. But you can purchase this hair, or you can have a wig made for you, the same one. You could get that at BABEHAIR. I'll have that in the description box where you can get it. I did change my mind and decided to go for a baby hair look though after the fact, because I love baby hairs. So this is the look we're going for. This is what we're going to get to at the end. I was on Facebook Live and I downloaded the live recording since I didn't actually film it for y'all, but I filmed something, so I included it. I just sectioned out my baby hairs. I did 2 natural ones on the side. I usually do like the one in the middle too, but I decided to switch it up a bit. You know, I'm a growing stylist. Let's see what works. What was cute. And this install was popping, y'all. Like this one went up. A lot of people really love this install on me. But I just added some mousse to the baby hairs, laid them, and sprayed the Got to Be spray again on those baby hairs. And we're going to go in with our edge laying scarf. And I'm taking the pressing comb just to make it even flatter. You can never have a too flat install. The flatter, the more realistic it looks. I will be adding hot combs to my website though, so stay tuned for that. I will be adding that, so it's a one-stop shop. Look at that, flat. And yeah, these are the final results. The baby hair is on fleeky. Look at that mamacita. So cute. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Put that wig on today and slay, honey. All information will be in the description box. Shop with BABEHAIR. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.